If you need to upgrade your PC RAM unlimited, this video is for you. Now I'm going to show you my PC physical memory. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on About. Here you will find Install RAM. This is the physical RAM, and I have 4 GB RAM in my computer. Now I am going to increase the RAM or virtual memory here. Click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on Settings. On Performance Options, click on Advanced tab. This on the virtual memory. Virtual memory is called paging file. Total paging file is 704 MB. Click on Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your system drive and then click on Custom Size. Here you will find two sizes. One initial size, that means minimum virtual memory, and maximum size, maximum virtual memory. And the size will be mentioned here in megabyte. I'm going to show you the calculation as because my computer RAM is 4 GB. The ideal initial size will be 1.5 times physical RAM, and maximum size will be 3 times physical RAM. My PC physical RAM is 4 GB, that means initial size will be 4 times 1.5 means 6 GB. In megabyte it will be 6144 MB, and the maximum size will be 4 GB 3 times, that means 12 GB or 12,288 MB. Hope you understand the calculation. Now I am going to set the initial size will be 6,144 MB and the maximum size will be 12,288 MB. That means initial size will be nearly 6 GB and maximum size will be nearly 12 GB. Click on Set. Now click on OK. The change you have made require to restart your computer before they can take effect. Now click on OK. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Close System Properties. You must restart your computer to apply these changes. I am going to restart later. Click on Start menu, click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your computer's virtual memory will be increased successfully.